This afternoon, we're at 3036 Thornhill Road. We're in Winter Haven, and right behind me is a brand new home. In fact, over here is another brand new home. They're both on the market. I'm just gonna show you this one right here. It's about 1,775 square feet. It's on 3/4 of an acre, no HOA. Let's check it out. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And again, right off Thornhill Road, you can see the seller has built 2 properties here. No HOA, they've done a good job. Got nice landscaping, grass. And then right here, you can see is a brand new gas station, racetrack. The Polk Parkway is just right over off here, off of Winter Lake Road a little bit. And this is a busy road going from, you can run this way going south to Bartow off Spirit Lake Road. So got some rain coming in. We're gonna shoot this video and give you an idea of this really, really nice floor plan. Let's take a look. 2-car garage. Got it all lit up for you. This is for sale by Megg Homes. They do a really nice job. They've been building homes for years. They do offer a warranty with it. So we've got it all lit up here. You can kind of get an idea. Again, we got some stormy weather coming, but I did want to show you this home. When you first walk in, it's got a great kitchen, granite countertops, very popular floor plan. I've sold a lot of these over the years. So you can see when you first walk in, it's got really nice, got the rounded corners here. Here's all your openers. Here's all your warranty stuff. Closet pantry. Stainless steel. Range built-in microwave. Big farm sink. Dishwasher. Refrigerator. Now a couple things to note. This is the great room. Now, the reason it's a little dark, there is a pre-wire right here. You can put a light kit and a ceiling fan on. I don't think I turned actually these. This on right here, that'll help. So we've got a couple different ways you can decorate this. This is really like your dining area. So you could put a nice size table here, rectangle if you want. But then you also have a little eating kitchen nook table, which is kind of cool. So put a round table or something that kind of fits in there for your morning coffee. So let's take a look at this nice open floor plan. This is ceramic tile flooring. It's got the wood look. So it's very practical, got the cathedral ceilings. We're gonna go to the primary suite first, and I can't wait to show you this backyard. Look at this. There's actually a pretty cool shed there. We were in that earlier. But when you come over here, this is your primary suite. It does have carpeting. Big, big primary suite. Window out, looking out the back, and then another one overlooking the side. So again, kind of hard to tell from the video, but it's a pretty big size. And look at this closet. If you need places to put clothes, this is massive. I love the open shelves here for your shoes. Could be a little linen area if you want to put towels. Plenty of room to add shelving along here, even on the bottom. So massive closet. It's a great master bathroom. Double sinks. I believe this is quartz. It's really pretty. Nice stone. You can see they did a nice job with the cabinets, all the lighting, double lighting. They brought the ceramic tile flooring in here. And then a shower. It's all gray, so it's very neutral. So it's gonna be modern, and then a little bit extra space in here, your toilet room area. But you could put shower doors there or a curtain, wherever you so choose. All right, so let's go take a look. The other side is 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. But before we hit that, let me show you this. Did not show you the laundry. So it is a nice size laundry room. Full size washer dryer go here. And then again, it's a vacant home, it's brand new, but it's your standard 2-car garage, but it does have a garage door opener. It does have your attic access up there. And here is a couple different things. Irrigation system right here. By the way, why not have Wi-Fi on your irrigation? Comment below. This is Hunter, by the way. It's a good name brand. Rainbird, Hunter, they're all very good. Do you use Wi-Fi with your appliances, with your irrigation, with your washer dryer? Comment below if you do. Always curious. Here's your water heater. It's electric. They did a nice job of leaving all the extra tiles, painting behind. Very nice, all the little touch-up cans of the interior, probably baseboards. It's all labeled. And you can see the good sized water heater. It's either a 40 or 50 gallon. Not important for this tour, but it's a nice size. They do give you a 1-year warranty on this too, the builder does. Let's go take a look at the other side of the house as promised, and then I'll take you into that backyard if we're not storming too bad. So split bedroom plan over here. Let's go right to the front of the house. To the left, nice sized bedroom. It's overlooking the front yard, and then you got your closet kind of kicked around here. All carpeting, overhead light. Again, front bedroom, a little bit smaller than the one we just showed you. And then your kind of kicks around here though, so you got your closet. Linen closet in the hall, and then your other bathroom with a tub shower combination. Looks like it's the same tile, very nice. Nice and neutral, got a little bit of a texture to it. Who likes a big shower head? That's pretty good size. You can get bigger, which I don't know about you, but I like big shower heads. Just kind of covers more. And you shower quicker too, not to mention. And then probably TMI, sorry. Double linen closets, another one here, plus this one. So, but hey, you always need more closet space. This is the back bedroom, nice and private back here, overlooking the backyard. Closets kicked around here. Let's go check out the backyard. By the way, this is kind of good to know. This is code, and this allows air to circulate in the house, inside the home. So you're gonna have these above the doorways. Sometimes if they put a separate, by the way, FYI, if they put a separate return in the bedrooms, you don't need that. Some builders put them there in the hallway. Sometimes if you have a return inside the bedroom, you don't have to worry about that. So this one is, again, around 1770 square footage. The one next door is around 1500. Big concrete slab. You're on septic, county water. There's your septic and drain field. We went inside here. I'm not going to show you, but it's it's old. Looks like if you push it down, but inside's pretty impressive. Power, water. Looks like they used to work on cars there. That's next door. So this lot is going to go a little bit, probably halfway between the homes here. And then it goes all the way to pretty much back here. It's 0.72 or 0.73, so they're 3/4 of an acre. Very nice size home. Hope you've enjoyed this tour of this home on Thornhill Road. If you have any questions or you'd like to do a walkthrough on it, all my contact information is below. Whether selling or buying, gotta call Brian. Hey, if you enjoyed this video walkthrough, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. But more importantly, I'd love to connect with you and talk about your real estate needs. We service all of Central Florida. A lot of new construction, but we also do homes. I don't care if they're 100 years old, 125 years old. There's some of those on my channel too. You need to check those out. But myself and my team would love to connect with you. Thank you so much. Share this video, like it, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.